I wanted to start by talking to you about some challenges that people face in their cases. And this came up, I was talking with Alex, actually, the proper person. We were talking just last week. He was sharing with me that in Las Vegas, often when people have attorneys, that what happens is prior to the hearing or prior to the trial, the judges call the attorneys back into chambers, and the judges tell the attorneys, listen, this is what I'm inclined to do. And so, you share it with your clients and, if possible, you guys better settle it because this is what I'm inclined to do. And so as a result, many cases in Las Vegas do not go to trial. A lot of them settle. And I'm always talking to you guys, I know, about settling and the benefits of settling your case and how it's often better to settle than have a stranger, i.e. a judge, decide it. But I do want you to know there's certain situations where you probably shouldn't settle your case. There are certain non-negotiables in certain cases that, you may have to go to trial on. And only you know what those non-negotiables are. So if you are being forced into doing something that is contrary to your sense of what's right, you have to follow what you think is right. You always have to keep in mind what is reasonable and what the law is in your state. But you should never feel like you're being forced or coerced into entering into an agreement, because that's not a voluntary agreement. There's a difference between being forced into an agreement by someone and somebody giving you a reality check. So as an attorney, often I have to give my clients what I call reality checks. And I have to say to them, based on my experience, this is what I think could happen in your case. This is what I have seen in the past, or this is what I think the judge might do, or this is what my colleagues have told me the judge might do. Or, I think that what you're asking for is contrary to the law, or it might be considered unreasonable. And, if my clients understand that, yet they still want to go to trial, I completely support them. But as an attorney, I would not be doing my job if I didn't give them a reality check. Like, I don't want my clients to feel like they get hit by a bus out of nowhere because I haven't done my job, which is sometimes telling them the things that they don't want to hear. People aren't paying me to tell them what they want to hear. They're paying me to tell them the truth. So, the point I want to make at the beginning of this video is that, you have to decide what's best for you and what's best for your kids. And you have to go with that. And sometimes you just cannot avoid trial. I get it. If there's anything that you can settle, even if it's just a couple of little things, then you should try to settle it. The more you can settle, the better, because that's that's less issues that the judge is making for you. So I hope that made sense.